Hello students and welcome to the video class of the chapter permutation and combination. In last class we discussed some theorems based on permutation. Okay, and what is formula for NPR and how to calculate NPR and some related questions, that is problem based on NPR. Today we are going to discuss the arrangement problems, that is formation of numbers using digits. But before that we should recall the previous concepts. Now let's see the question. Find m and n if p of m plus n comma 2 is equal to 90, p of m minus n comma 2 is equal to 30. It means that is solution according to question that is given m plus n p2 is equal to 90. Okay, and m minus n p2 is equal to 30. Now apply the formula NPR, that implies what? M plus n factorial divided by, suppose this is equation this, okay, m plus n factorial divided by m plus n minus 2 factorial is equal to 90. Got it? Now which term is greater? Which term is greater? That is m plus n factorial or m plus n minus 2 factorial. Obviously the numerator is greater, so break the numerator is m minus n plus 2 factorial. So example, suppose you are given 8 factorial divided by 6 factorial, then how it breaks? That is 6 factorial into 7 into 8 by 6, then cancel it like this, and this will be what? M plus n minus 2 factorial, then increase 1, that is what? M plus n minus 1, then what? M plus n, that is, this is equal to what? This is equal to, or divide by m plus n minus 2 factorial. Very easy. So this is this term cancels. Now here 90. Now here 90. That is what? 90. So remaining is here m plus n minus 1 into what? Into m plus n is equal to 90. Is equal to 90. This is serial numbers, 2 serial numbers, and this is smaller and this is greater. So break the number 90 as serially product of 2 serial number, that is first one is should be what? Smaller, and second term should be greater. So 90 means what? We can write, that is what? M plus n minus 1 into m plus n, this is smaller, so 9 into 10. Very interesting. From this we will get, that is m plus n is equal to 10. This is equation 1. Very interesting question. Now from another given data, we will get here, that is m minus n factorial divided by m minus n minus 2 factorial is equal to 30. Correct? Now which is bigger, greater? M minus n is greater than m minus n minus 2. So break the numerator as like m minus n minus 2 factorial into, then increase by 1, m minus n minus 1, then increase 1, m minus n whole divided by m minus n minus 2 factorial. This is equal to what? 30. 30. Now cancel this term. This is product of two consecutive numbers, m minus n minus 1 into m minus n. This is equal to 30. This is smaller and this is greater, and the difference is 1. So this is product of two consecutive numbers. So break 30 as product of two consecutive numbers. The smaller term, write the smaller term first, that is 5 into 6, 30. So m minus n minus 1 into m minus n, this is smaller, this is greater. So this two serial numbers, and this can be what? 5 into 6. So that implies m minus n is equal to 6. This is equation 2. Now solving equation 1 and 2. Now solving equation 1 and 2. Now solving equation 1 and 2, that implies what? M plus n is equal to 10. M minus n is equal to what? 6. Add these two equations. We'll get here 2m is equal to what? 16. Then m is equal to, that implies m is equal to 8. If m is equal to 8, then n is equal to what? Then n is equal to, that is 8 plus n. Put in equation 1. This is equation 1, and put in equation 1 or 2 you may put, or that is what? M is 8 plus n is equal to 10. So n is equal to 2 is the answer. M is equal to 8 and n is equal to 2. Answer. Clear? Now problems based on the three theorems, that is NPR, okay, previous theorems, problem based. First will discuss the formation of digits, formation of numbers using the given digits. Very interesting questions, dear students. Now problems based on formation of numbers using given digits. Now question is, what is the total number of integers with distinct digits that exceeds 5500 and do not containing the digits 0, 7 and 9? That means indirectly it is given that given digits are solution, the digits are not allowed, 0 the solution, the numbers that is given according to question, what? Given digits, the numbers do not contain 0, 7, 9. That means the given digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. These are the given digits, and we have to form the numbers, integers. We have to form the integers. The integers exceed that exceed 5500 means integers greater than 5500. Very interesting questions. The integers greater than 5500 may be number of digit what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number of digit 7 अच्छे आमको सब नंबर्स फॉर्म करियो पड़िबो जोटा कि 5500 टू बड़ा means the numbers integers greater than using all the distinct, that is the numbers, the integers or numbers greater than 5500 maybe 4 digit number or 5 digit number or 6 digit number or 6 digit number or 6 digit number or 7 digit number, because 7 it is last, because the number of digit is 7, because the number of digit is 7. Now number of 4 digit numbers without repetition. Now number of 4 digit integers 4 digit integers greater than 5500 if repetition with distinct digits, with distinct digits. Number of 4 digit number with distinct digits, that is here, that is first place, and this is second place, and this is third place, and this is fourth place. Write it first place, and this is second place, and this is third place, and this is fourth place. Right, or you can write unit place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place. So the numbers greater than 5500, first there are two cases here. First, suppose we write here 5. Suppose case that is first place, or we can write first place case 1. First place contain only 5. First place contains only 5. First place contains only, एटा 5 फिक्स कर दबा, तो ये 1 रही हम कि 1 रही 5500 बड़ा हम कि नो, 2 रही 5500 बड़ा हम कि नो, 3 रही 5500 बड़ा हम कि नो, 4 रही 5500 बड़ा हम कि नो, 5 रखिपर बिकज डिस्ट्रिक्ट को रिपीटेशन नॉट अलाउड, तो 6 रही पार, 8 रही पार. देयर आर 2 ऑप्शंस. फॉर सेकंड ऑप्शन दिस इज मे बी 6 or 8, that is either this is fixed, so one way, and this is what, two ways. Since repetition is not allowed, the number of digit is, total number of digit is 7, 2 digits are used here, now remaining 5 digits, so this can be filled in 5 ways. Okay, 1 2 3, 3 numbers are used out of 7 digits, so remaining 4 digits, remaining 4 digits. So the total number of this is equal to what? That is 40. Repeat the concept again. The numbers greater than 5500 without repetition. Case 1, first place fixed by 5. Suppose first place टा मु 5 रे फिल अप कली, ए 5 रे फिल अप कले हमको 5500 टू बड़ा हेबा दरकार, तो 1 रे हबनी, 2 रे हबनी, 3 रे हबनी, 4 रे हबनी, 5 लिखि परिबनी, रिपीटेशन अलाउ नै, तो आप दुईटा ऑप्शन अछि टू वर्तमान 7 डिजिट भितरु दुईटा डिजिट 2 डिजिट यूज हो कंप्लीटली, तो रिमेनिंग 5 डिजिट, तो 3टा प्लेस फिल्ड है, 3टा डिजिट फिक्स रही गला, तो आउ केते बळिला 4 डिजिट, तो 4 डिजिट फिल अप हो. So total number of such numbers, that is 40. This is case 1. And case 2, case 2, unit place without 5, that is first place without 5. ए फर्स्ट प्लेस रे 5 रखिबानी, बट कंडीशन अच्छी कौन, बट कंडीशन अच्छी 5500 बड़ हवा दरकार, तो कौन लिखिपर, ये 5 लिखिबानी, ये 5 लिखिबानी, बट ग्रेटर देन 5500 टू हवा दरकार. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन, एंड दिस इज इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन फॉर एग्जामिनेशन. तो जब 5 रखिबानी फर्स्ट प्लेस रे, दिस इज फर्स्ट प्लेस, this is second place, this is third place, and this is suppose fourth place. तो कौन रखी परिबा ना 6 और 8 रहबो, 6 और 8, two ways, it is 6 रहबो, माने एटी जहा रहले भी चली काढो 5522 ग्रेटर हबो. एटी जदि फर्स्ट प्लेस रे मो 6 रखिली, एटी तमे जहा रखुछ रखो बढ़ाई पार, जदि 8 रखिली जहाँ रखुच रख बढ़ाई पार, कौन 5500 बढ़ाई पार. तो 1 number is used here out of 7 digits, so remaining digit is what? This can be filled in 6 ways. Since repetition is not allowed, 2 digits are used here. Now remaining digit is 5, so this can be used in 5 ways. This can be used in 5 days. So 3 digits are used out of 7 digits. Now the 4th place is filled by any one of the 4 digits, remaining 4 digit 4. So this is equal to what? 2 into 12 into 5, 60, that is 60 into 4, 240. So number of 4 digit integers, number of 4 digit integers, number of 4 digit integers, number of 4 digit integers greater than 5500 with distinct digits is equal to 40 plus 240 that is 280 degree. This is number of 4 digit number. Now we'll discuss about, we'll calculate about number of 5 digit number. Now number of 5 digit number number of 5 digit number with distinct digits with distinct digits. So 5 digit number contains 5 places, that is all 5 digit numbers are greater than 5500 because 5500 is 4 digit number. Got it? And this will be what? First place, second place, and this is first, and this is first place, and this is second, and this is third, and this is fourth, and this is fifth. So there are 7 digits. There are 7 digits. The first place can be filled in 7 different ways. Since repetition is not allowed, therefore second place can be in 6 ways. So 2 numbers are used here, 2 digits are used here. Now remaining 5 digits can be filled in 5 different ways, that is third place can be filled in 5 different ways, and fourth remaining here fourth. So fourth place can be filled remaining that 4 digits here, so 4, and the remaining 3 digits 1 2 3 4 digits are used. Now remaining 3 digits can be filled in 3 different ways, that is 3 multiply this, will get what? This is 12 60 into what? 60 into, that is what? 12 by 60 into 360 into 7. Calculate this. What is the answer? Now calculating this, we will get what? That is 2520. 5 digit number 2520. Now number of 6 digit number, or you can calculate what? Using, this can be calculated using 7p5 equal to 2520, or you may use permutation formula. Okay, or you may use permutation formula, number of 5 digit number, that is 76543 is equal to 2520. This is fundamental principle of counting, or you may use, there are 5 places for 7 digits, so 7p5 and calculate, we will get 2520. You may this do like this. So number of 6 digit numbers, with distinct digits, you may write what? 7p6. Okay, directly you may write 7p6, or by fundamental principle, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and this is sixth. This is first place, this is second place, this is third place, and this is fourth place, and this is fifth place, and this is sixth place. So this can be filled in 7 ways, 7 digit. 1 is used, 1 digit is the remaining 6 digits. So repetition is natural, so this can be filled in 6 ways. 2 letters, 2 digits are used, remaining 5. So this can be filled in 5 ways. Okay, now remaining what? Remaining now 4 digits, so this can be filled in 4 ways. Remaining 3, so this can be filled in 3 ways. Remaining 2, and this can be filled in 2 ways. Alright, bhai. Okay, 7 digit अच्छी 7 वे रे फिलअप हो पारिबो. गोटे डिजिट रहिला 6टा डिजिट बढ़िला तो 6 वे रे. सिमिलरली 2 यूज हैला 5 रहिला 5 वेस. like this. So then by fundamental principle it is multiplication, because each and every term a digit is required. So this is will be what, multiply this, and this will be what, 5040. Now number of 7 digits, number of 7 digit numbers with distinct digits, with distinct digits. What happens here? Now this will be 7p7. Okay, or you may write for this, or you may write for this what, 7p6, which value is 5040. Okay, 5040. You may write for 6 digit, there are 6 places, out of 7 digit we can form the number 6 digit number 7p6, and calculate this will be 5040. Now number of 7 digit. Okay, so this is first place, and this is second place, and this is third place, and this is fourth place, and this is fifth place, and this is sixth place, and this is seventh place. So this can be filled in 7 ways. Repetition allowed, not allowed. 1 digit is used, so this can be filled in 6 ways, and this can be 2 digits are used. This is 5 ways, 3 is used. This is 4 ways, and this is what? And this is 3 ways, and this is 2 ways, and this is 1 ways. So total number of this is equal to what? Same, 7p7, or that is 7p7. This is 5040. Or we can write, or you can write directly 7p7, which is equal to 5040. Now number of integers greater than or exceed 5500 is equal to, now number of integers that exceed 5500 and do not containing the digits. Therefore number of integers that exceed 5500 with distinct digits, and do not contain 079 is equal to number of 4 digit number, that is 280, and number of 4 digit number 2520, number of 6 digit number 5040, number of 7 digit number 54040. So its total is equal to what? Its total will be what? Its total, we will calculate its total, then this will be what? This will be, the total is, calculate this, that is 12880. This is what? 12880. This is 12880. The sum is 12880. Okay. This is the number of integers that exceed 5500. This is the one of the important question, formation of numbers using the given digit. Okay. So watch carefully this video. Okay. This is very, very important. So write neat clearly this Question number 2. How many natural numbers not exceeding 4321 can be formed with the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 if the digits can be repeated? Very important concept. Solution: given digits 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to form the natural numbers less than what? 4321. If repetition allowed, can be allowed. Now, natural numbers less than 4321 may be one digit, two digit, or two digit, or three digit, or four digit numbers. Now, number of one digit numbers. Using 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of one digit numbers using 1, 2, 3, 4 is what? 4. Second one is number of two digits natural numbers repetition allowed. That is, two digit number contains two places. This is what? Tens place, and this is unit place. This can be filled repetition allowed 4 ways, and this can be filled in 4 ways. That is 16. Now, number of three digit numbers. Number of three digit numbers with repetition. So, three digit number contains three places. This is first 100 place, this is tens place, and this is unit place. Repetition allowed, so this can be filled in 4 ways. Since repetition allowed, this also can be filled in 4 ways, and this is also filled in 4 ways. That is 4 into 4 into 64 such numbers. Now, number of 4 digit numbers less than 4000. Now, fourth case is number of natural numbers less than 4321. Okay, there are several cases. A unit place, that is 1000 place without 4, repetition allowed case. So, case 1 unit place without 4, 1000 place without 4. This is 1000 plus, this is 100 plus, and this is 10 plus, tens plus, and this is unit place. Okay, so first case 1, that is what? Unit 1000 plus without 4. Case 1, thousands plus without 4. So this is 1000 plus thousands plus this is hundreds plus and this is tens plus and this is unit plus. So 1000 plus without 4 means maybe this 1, 2, 3, 1 or 2 or 3. This is fixed by what? 3 ways. This is what? 3 ways, either 1 or 2 or 3. Okay. Repetition allowed. Since repetition allowed, out of these 4 digits, 4, 3, out of these 4 digits, out of this can be filled in 4 ways. Since repetition allowed, this is also filled in 4 ways and this is also filled in 4 ways. So multiply this. So multiply this and the number of such numbers is equal to what? Now calculating, that is 3 into 4 into 4, that is this will be what? 192. This is case 1, 1000 plus without 4. Now for case 2, what happens here? Case 2, 1000 plus thousands plus without 4, with 4. 1000 plus contains only 4. So there are sub cases. This is 4. Okay, 4. This is 4 and this is 1000 plus thousands plus and this is 100 plus and this is what? 10 plus and this is unit place. If this is 4 and greater than and less than what? The number less than 4, 3. This can be either 2 or this is one way and this is either what? Suppose this is 3. Suppose 100 plus 1000 plus contains only 4 and this is 100 plus contains 3. Suppose 3 one way and this is what? One way, 4, 3 and this is 1. This is 1 and this is what? 1 and this is 2. Fix here. This is 1 way and this is what? 1 way. Now this will be what? This is repetition allowed. Okay. Suppose this is filled by 4 and this is 3. Fix here and this is fixed here 1. Now this is what? This may be repetition allowed. This may be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. That is 4 ways. Okay, that is 4 ways. Repetition allowed. So this is fixed here, this is fixed here, this is fixed here. Now this will be 4. This is equal to 1 into 1 into 1. This is equal to 4. Clear? Now another subcase here. This is subcase. This is one subcase. This is subcase 1. Subcase A. Now subcase B. Subcase B. What will be subcase B? Now this place filled only by 4. Thus it 1000 plus and this is what? 100 plus and this is tens plus and this is unit place. Tens place and this is unit place. Unit place. This is fixed by 4 in one way, and how 100 place is either 1 or 2, that is 2 way. This is 1 way, and this is what? 2 way. Fixed here, so this is 1 way and this is 2 way, and this will be what? Either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, that is 4 ways, and this is 4 ways. So total number is what? That is 32. So 4 digit numbers is equal to 4, therefore total number of 4 digits. 4 digits natural number. Natural number less than 4321 is equal to what? 4 plus 32. 4 plus 32, that is what? 192. That is what? Total is what? Total, therefore, that is what? 192 plus 4 plus 32. 192 plus 4 plus 32, which is equal to what? 192 plus 4 plus 32, that is equal to what? 8, that is 12 to 228. 228. Therefore, the numbers less than, therefore, the numbers, the natural numbers, therefore, the natural numbers, therefore, the natural numbers, therefore, the natural numbers, the natural numbers less than 4321 using 1, 2, 3, 4 if repetition is allowed. Repetition is allowed is first number of one digit number of one digit number plus number of two digit number plus number of three digit number plus number of four digit number. So what happens here? Number of one digit number is 4, that is equal to 4 plus 16 plus 64 plus what? 2 to 8. Now the sum is what? Now the sum is what? The question is what? The natural numbers less than equal to, not exceeding this may be equal to. So plus 1, this number may be equal, so plus 1. The answer is what? Add this, the answer will be what? Now add this 3, 1, 3. This will be what? 3, 1, and this is 1 is added because the number 4321 is here. The number 4321 is itself. It is equal. So not exceeding is less or equal. So this will be what? 3, 1, 2. The numbers, the natural numbers less than, not exceeding means less than equal to 4321. So number of 4 digit number less than 4321 is equal to what? 228, and equal to means 1 here, plus 1 here. So that is 2 to 8 plus 1. This is the 4 digit numbers less than or equal to 4321, this term. So adding this we will get 313. Okay. Now grouped permutation. About grouped permutation. Now grouped permutation. Grouped permutation. If there are total that is what? N number of things not are different. That is N number of things, not all are different. Not all are different. This is the concept. Let there are theorem, let there are n number of things, out of which p number of things of first kind, q number of things, are of second kind, and r number of things, are of third kind, then total number of arrangements of n things, is given by what? Then total number of n things, arrangement of n things, then total number of arrangements of n things is equal to n factorial divided by p factorial into q factorial into r factorial, where p plus q plus r is equal to n. Now one example, how many different words, how many different arrangements can be formed using the letters of the word. This is the sum, that is number of n number of things, not all are different, means some identical things present there. Now one question, how many different arrangements, how many different words with or without meaning, with or without meaning can be formed using the letters of the word mathematics. So this is question regarding to this concept. So here solution, the word is what? Mathematics. Total number of letters, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are number of m's. What? Number of m. Here 1, 2. Number of a, 1, 2. number of t, number of t 1 2, number of h 1, number of e 1, number of e 1, number of I 1, number of c, number of c, number of c 1, number of s 1. Total is what? 6 plus that is 5, 11. Total is 11. 1 2 3 4 5 and this is 6, 11. So total number of arrangements, therefore total number of arrangements, total number of arrangements is equal to 11 factorial divided by repeated terms, that is 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial and 1 1 1. No need to write here. If there is single type, then there is no need to write here and calculate this. Okay, this is the answer of this question. Now this is the some concept group permutation. In next class we will discuss some more questions regarding to that is gap method and string method. Okay, then restricted permutation. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.